Hey everyone, meet the Fabuletta Air Fryer with a transparent viewing window that lets you watch your food cook perfectly. This powerful 1600-watt electric hot air fryer offers 10 cooking functions and a 6.5 quart capacity, ideal for families or entertaining guests. Its tempered glass display and temperature control make it easy to customize your cooking experience. The shake reminder ensures even cooking without interrupting the process. Made with durable ABS material, it's also dishwasher-safe and features a non-stick interior for easy cleanup. Whether you're roasting or frying, this air fryer cooks healthy meals quickly and efficiently. Enjoy delicious, oil-less meals with the Fabuletta Air Fryer's innovative design and convenience. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.